Huge breaking news coming in. NCB is going to be questioning a director from Karan Johar's company, Dharma Productions, tomorrow in connection with Bollywood drug probe. Director Kshitij Prasad is going to be joining the probe tomorrow as he is in Delhi today. So Karan Johar's company, Dharma Productions, under the scanner at the moment. The Bollywood drug probe is widening at the moment. The NCB is going to be questioning a director from Karan Johar's company. Tomorrow, Kshitij Prasad is the director who is going to be joining the NCB probe tomorrow. At the moment, he is in Delhi. A battery of reporters are getting us details. Divyesh is getting us the story first from NCB office in Mumbai. Divyesh, this is clearly a big net at the moment. 50 actors, actresses, directors, producers. Now to top it all, Karan Johar's Dharma Production under the scanner with this entire drug link. And Kshitij Prasad, who's the director in Dharma Productions, is going to be joining the probe tomorrow. What more do we know?
Chaiti, as of now, we've just received this confirmation that Kshitij Prasad, who's been working with Dharma Productions, Karan Johar's company, he is a director with Dharma Productions. He has also been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau and he has been asked to join investigations at 11 a.m. tomorrow at the government guest house where NCB has created their makeshift office. Kshitij Prasad will be questioned regarding alleged drug links, alleged drug procurement details, but we are yet to receive more details on why he has been summoned, what has been his role, and why his statement will be recorded by the NCB. But as of now, we've received confirmation that yes, summons have been issued to him, and he has responded. He has acknowledged the summons. He is in Delhi, but tomorrow he will be joining investigations with the NCB.
Absolutely, Divyesh, he is going to be joining the investigation, so seems like he's going to be cooperating with the NCB as well. Now, Divyesh, what's interesting to note is that this entire probe has widened. We had earlier reported as to one big Bollywood name which is under the scanner, and there's a lot of curiosity around which Bollywood name this is, who has been allegedly hosting drug-fueled parties as well, alongside the other 50 actors, directors and producers that we're talking about.
Chaiti, the NCB has widened its probe. Initially, it started with a few chats that was shared by the Enforcement Directorate. These chats were of Riya Chakrabarti, Shobhit Chakrabarti, Jaya Saha and others. But now they've widened the probe. They are questioning each and every drug peddler. They are scanning phones of all those involved whose names have surfaced. And on those details, on basis of those details, the network is widened now. They are probing each and every person whose alleged drug links are found through the testimonies of witnesses or accused, and also through electronic evidence that are the WhatsApp chats, on basis of which actresses like Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet Singh, Simone Khambata, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan have been summoned. So there are testimonies as well of drug peddlers, testimonies of witnesses. There have been people who have seen these people consuming drugs in alleged parties, but as of now, their statements are to be recorded, and only after that, the further course of action will be decided by the Narcotics Control Bureau.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.